Hey guys, just some extra footage for the vlog today, you know. My dog decided to be a little kooky, so hope you enjoy. He's definitely a weird dog.
Really?
My fleece-lined pants are...
Huge! Humongo!
But they're warm.
Yeah, they're really warm.
What you making noises for? Well, lay down.
He's like, no, it's my blanket!
Hey, lay down. Lay down. I'll wrap you up. Lay down. Stay.
He thinks you're playing.
Stay. Okay, lay down. Lay down. You're a special case. You comfy now?
Nope.
Hey!
Dork.
You bite through that blanket again, I'm gonna smack you in the nose. Go to sleep.
You're good. I don't think he's cold because he's dancing.
He's stressed. So I'm gonna beat him! So that's some nasty stuff, ain't it?
Yeah, he doesn't like the smell of diesel-covered gloves.
Alright. I'll be back.